Okay, this is Woodapple. It's not an apple at all, it's really hard, like a nut. Honestly, if you ask me, it tastes disgusting. I really dislike it a lot. Lots of people eat it. They open it with, and eat the fruit with honey. A lot of people make it with juice, which they say is nice, but quite frankly, really, I don't like it. When you're in Sri Lanka, give it a go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a cleaver or some really sort of sharp knife or a machete, and then you've got to kind of just crack this open. So let me try that. As you can hear, huge crunchiness to it. And there we go. That's what's inside. Let's give that a little sniff. Yeah, it's just, it smells really kind of fermented. It smells like it kind of smells like it's a bit bad, to be honest, like it's kind of gone off, but that's what it is. People love it. I'm going to try a bit. It's kind of got a kind of rum and raisin chocolate. Well, not the chocolate, just the rum and raisin kind of flavour to it. But there you go. That is Woodapple. Give it a go. I'm not going to.